What's up, watch nerds? Welcome back to Dad Mod's Watches. Today we're taking a closer look at something truly special, the Blok Watches Discommon Edition. So first off, I need to start with a bit of a disclaimer and a little bit of a stolen bit. Let's see if you notice. The lovely people at Blok sent me two watches. They sent me both the 33 and the 38 millimeter. One for myself and one for my daughter. I thought that was absolutely lovely of them. Now, my daughter didn't want to be part of the video, which is fine. She's young. She has no real interest. That's fair. But she definitely had a bunch to say about it, and I've got my notes right here of what she said. Here goes. Oh my God, Daddy, this is so cool. I love the colors. It is super fancy, and this is going to go with everything. Bye, Daddy. Gotta go. Love you. So, yeah, there you go. That's about as much time as I get from my daughter at her age these days, but anybody with kids totally understands how that goes. Anyhow, let's get into the mustard and peanut butter of this review. The presentation of these watches is simple yet refined. When you open the box, you'll see a clean and well-organized layout. Each watch is securely placed and accompanied by a durable nylon strap. They come in both 33 millimeter and 38 millimeter variants. These timepieces blend thoughtful design with practical functionality, making them ideal for young learners and experienced collectors alike. The 33 millimeter model is constructed from a Swiss nylon polymer, which is lightweight and perfectly suited for smaller wrists or younger wearers. Blok Watches rethinks traditional time display with a distinctive offset dial and a proprietary rotating bezel. The bezel divides time into 4 simple blocks. It makes it easier to manage time into segments, a feature designed to enhance everyday usability. The 38 millimeter model, while it shares the same Swiss nylon polymer case, is reinforced with a stainless steel core, adding durability and a satisfying weight that appeals to adult enthusiasts. The unconventional offset markers add a fresh perspective to reading the time, making it engaging and intuitive. Enhanced with lume on both the bezel and hands, these watches offer improved visibility in low light conditions, a practical upgrade for daily wear. Both models come with high quality nylon straps, reinforced with stainless steel hardware. These straps accommodate a wide range of wrist sizes, ensuring a comfortable fit for children and adults. The 33 millimeter model runs on a reliable Swiss ETA quartz movement with a battery life of up to 10 years and is known for its accuracy and dependability. The 38 millimeter model features a Swiss Ronda Traveler's GMT quartz movement with a custom date delete, adding dual-time functionality, perfect for travelers or those managing multiple time zones. The unique rotating bezel on both pieces helps break time into manageable segments, making them excellent tools for improving time awareness. On top of all of that is a 2 millimeter thick sapphire crystal, ensuring long-lasting clarity, while the screw-down crown provides water resistance up to 100 meters, making it suitable for active use. So what are my final thoughts and meanderings? Well, I think the Blok Watches and Discommon have created a collection that is both functional and stylish. The 33 millimeter model is a fantastic educational tool for teaching time management, while the 38 millimeter model offers a unique design with features that appeal to seasoned collectors. With their durable build, intuitive design, and everyday practicality, these watches are a worthy addition to any collection. Thank you for tuning into this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth watch content. Until next time, happy watch wearing. For further details on these models, please visit Blok Watches' official website. I'll leave a link below in the description. Thanks again, everybody. Love y'all. Cheers.